Hi people, alright. I hope you guys are doing well, considering the situation we're having right now with the virus and stuff. But anyways, so I thought today I'll make a tutorial for you guys. Something fun today. I'll be teaching you guys how to create a GIF coming up. Alright, if you guys don't know what a GIF is, it's basically a moving image. For example, so this is the photo which I'll be using today as an example to help you guys and show you guys how to make a GIF of your own through Photoshop. Alright, now we're back on Photoshop. Alright, so I've opened up this this picture on Photoshop. Let me just get rid of this for now. I'll show you guys later what's that for. So right now I'll show you guys just how I create the light source from this image. Alright, so you can create the light source via a gradient tool. So let me just off this. Let me just create a group for this thing. I don't know why I never create a group. Let's call it light. Alright, let me just off it. So don't mind the other layers, but just bear with me and just focus on the how I create the light source for this image. So you can go to you click this icon down at the bottom, then you click gradient tool, then after that you choose the color. So the color here is orange, which I'm going with orange. And this one here also, I'm gonna go slightly orange, maybe lighter orange. Okay, after that is done, I'll go click diamond, because diamond, let me just move the layer to the light bulb there. And after that, you change the normal to overlay, and that will create the light. And you decrease the opacity slightly a bit, like that, maybe around 60 is fine, right? Okay, after that, you don't want, you just want this light source to be around the phone booth, right? So you command I here, you click the layer mask right here and command I to make it black and make it disappear. Once that happens, so to create the effect back onto the image, you press B for brush tool, then it must be on white, because white can paint on black to make it appear. So let me just show you guys what I mean. So if I paint it from on white and I paint on black, it will appear, voila, like that. So in a way it's creating this light effect of on, off, on, off. Of course you can I can make it nicer, but I'm just showing you guys a gist of it. Alright, okay, let me just use back the same old one which I used previously. Let me just delete this away. So this is the old one which I've used. So now how do I create a GIF? Alright, so by the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel, because I post tutorials of Photoshop and Lightroom on a weekly basis. And if you haven't followed my Instagram, feel free to follow my Instagram at toon_2x, where I post mainly portraitures only. And yeah, so back to the video. Alright, so how do I create the GIF? It's simple. So you go Windows above here, then you create a timeline. If you guys don't know you can make a video in Photoshop, you can, and this is how you do it. So you go Windows and timelines. Okay, after you reach Windows and timeline, you just basically layer them out. So just say for example I want to make one more layer, you option, then you drag, then you'll create another layer, right? I'm just showing you guys as an example. But basically how you create the light turning on and off is basically come to one layer, you off the light layer right here, alright? Then the other layer you on it, then the third layer of course you off it, on, hold on, it's saving, right? Off, on, off. Then if you play back, and you must put the loop in forever, right? Then you can keep on going on, off, on, off, off. Alright, so that's the gist of it. And after that is done, alright, go File, Export, then go all the way down to Render Video. You don't click Export because that's for photos, but since this is a video, you go Render Video. Then after that, you just name your file, maybe light on and off. I'll just name it that, and of course put it in a file. And my format is H.264. Preset is of course high quality. Then the over here is 1080 because it's for Instagram by 1350. Then the FPS is 23.976, which I usually put it in. And yeah, then you just click render and you should get this image. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys learned how to create a GIF via light source, like turning things on and off. You can also do it with neon lights and stuff, but just be creative with it, you know, in a way. Like you can do it in any way. Like gradient tool is actually very powerful in creating a certain type of light source, and I hope you guys find a way to be creative with it. Alright? So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.